Hey there folks, Slayton here, another center removal. This time we're in the town of San Benito. We're trying to beat the sun. We got a nice little swarm that we're going to hive out. God bless us. Amen. Hopefully we can find that queen, put up a show for y'all.
Amen.
Amen. Stay tuned. Sígame con la cámara grande. It's getting a little bit cooler, so the bees aren't flying as much. ¿Mande? Está un poco fresco, ya no. Nomás tenga cuidado porque sí me están picando. Sí. Bueno. I'm gonna make them march into the box. It's work recording myself and doing this at the same time, so I should appreciate it, a little bit. People want to be giving me a thumbs down on my videos. That's just hating. Let's see if y'all got any questions. Nice, Steven. What's up? Where's that queen? I'm trying to find her. Edward, thank you for watching. Susan Clark, thank you for watching. I appreciate y'all. Y'all been there for me since day one. Let's see if we can find that queen. Dame la linterna, por favor. She's right here, folks. She's right there. She just fell down. A runny little one. Oh. She's right here, folks. Right there. Moment of silence. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to do what I do. Without you, I am nothing. Thank you, Saint Martha, Siddiqui, your guardian angel. Queen kiss. Mwah. Little kissy for the camera. Mwah. We're on Facebook Live, this one. Once again, be smart, be safe, be strong. Till next time, subscribe up on top. Give us a like down below. Follow us on Facebook. Thank you all for watching our videos. Till next time. Keep saving them bees. With the duck face. Alright, it's been a long day. We've done about 3 jobs. So, right, 4 jobs. This is the 4th one. Alright, talk to y'all later. I appreciate y'all watching. Bye. Sí, ahorita voy se lo enseño. Para que salga en YouTube también, para que se sea famosa con nosotros. Hay que ese hay. Estamos poniendo nuestra gente del valle en el mapa para que nos miren en todo el mundo.
¿Está viva? ¿Y cómo se diferencia?
Sí.
Hola. ¿Cómo están? Que Dios los bendiga.
Muchas
Wow.
gracias.
No, pues gracias por venir pronto.
¿No quieres tomar foto?
Sí, si les quiero tomar una
Facebook?
foto, sí.
We'll see y'all later.
Mira, mi amor. Oh,
La reina que nos va a ver.
dijo una familiar. Ay, dijo una familiar jugando. Dijo, te vas a hacer rica. Porque dice que